this is my product. Its name is Nova, and it's a writing instrument. Why I choose this idea and from where it comes? It comes from my class only, from Markarwani. So that time I was thinking, why it's always we have to go to the Vani. Please Vani, come with a marker. Why not we only have a pen with marker? So I have to check the feasibility also, that where the idea I am thinking is feasible or not, is only on air, that yeah, it's possible or not. So I went for the research. It's demographic and psychographic, it's segmentation, and I did research for not only in Bangalore, in Delhi, Mumbai. And one thing more about my product is related from education sector. So it's a writing instrument. Then there is no effect of economic cycle. Means no recession of my product.
No recession of your product?
For my product. It's always, if it is one time it's positioned, it always be in demand on the market. And in the bank market, so I choose which will be my target customer, the youth. And we all know that in India, above 60% of people are youth. They all are students, corporates, offices, education sectors. They all are using marker, pen. We use in daily life also. In Anuradha ma'am, and I took survey also from Anuradha ma'am, Dua ma'am, and Nagaraju sir said that is my idea is feasible or not. So they said I got a positive response.
You don't come and ask for the survey. You just ask, ma'am, do you use pen? Do you use marker?
Ma'am, that was public speaking, ma'am. I came to you there after a government potential customer, ma'am.
That is not the survey.
Direct selling, ma'am. So I did psychographic in segmentation. This is segmentation. Then target is youth, and positioning. All we know. Then when ink come in a market, that after 10 minutes it goes out. So everyone wants an innovative. Yes, I have the pen with marker and with ball pen, with just see, I have the pen, and that's why I choose this idea. For checking the feasibility and all, I went through this application survey. I sent application to many of the institutes. Application surveys, I mailed the questionnaires to my friends, checking out. They all said it's a very good idea, it's mind-blowing idea. One of my friends, among all of you, there is so many friends who used today only. Tell Shama. Tell.
How much did she pay you for this?
You can easily find on everyone's back, sir. Everyone's handmade.
Everybody here is bright.
So I went to the internet forum also to check out whether you all are as you all thinking that yes, is it possible or not. So I went to the internet forum also, and they said yes, it's nice idea. Now give you a little bit information about the manufacturing process. Sorry for that. Manufacturing process, in this we all know that every year whole world is using 100 millions of ball pens or pens. By is that in each home there is one Nova pen, Nova ka marker pen after 1 year. And Anuradha ma'am will help me. She is ready to buy my kit. Buy a pen for student kit.